Hello，大家好，我哋咧跟住咧下一個環節，我哋馬上又到啦。
係啦，我終於到咗啦。
你終於到咗啦，係啦。介紹下先，我哋另外一位主持 Chanel。
大家好。
係啦，
好見。
係啦。
Chanel。
大家唔係想見到你呢個模樣㗎，係啦。但係佢今年唔肯 Jack 啊，冇辦法啦。
係。睇下下一次嘅活動咯。
即係聽日咯。
冇可能。
OK，咁我哋咧下一節，即係我哋其實每年咧都有啲支持我哋嘅活動嘅單位啦。咁我哋其中一個支持我哋今次嘅服務個活動單位咧就喺度，就歐盟即係歐盟辦公室啦，喺駐香港及澳門嘅辦事處係嘛。咁樣咧，我哋就都有請到佢哋嚟同我哋分享一下佢哋即係支持 LGBT 嘅理念啦，同埋佢哋即係 support 啲乜嘢啊咁樣樣。咁我哋有請文俊，係我突然間聽唔到，唔好意思啊。係啦，文俊同我哋分享一下嘅。好 ，thank you。係啦，文俊要can 我哋因為好 local 啊，阿文俊幫我哋用廣東話講下，唔該啊。係啦，係啦，係啦，thank you。
Okay.
Hi.
Testing. One, two,
Okay,
three.
okay, okay, okay. 其中
Good
啲
afternoon, everyone. So, as head of the office and Ambassador Harvey Rao couldn't make it, so I'm going to be here to share a personal heart. And because most of the members of the audience are Cantonese, so bear with me. I'm going to do a little bit of most of this sharing in Cantonese for everyone's understanding.
分享先嘅，其實咧呢個已經係我哋歐盟辦事處咧第3年咧去支持 Pride Bazaar 呢個活動㗎啦。咁今年咧我哋好開心咧，我哋有歐盟辦嘅幫手做一啲支持嘅。咁佢哋包括啦嚟自捷克、德國、愛爾蘭、西班牙、瑞典同埋我哋瑞士嘅朋友嘅。So we're actually very happy today. We actually have support from our Consuls General of the EU member states from Czechia, Germany, Ireland, Spain, Sweden, as well as our colleagues from Switzerland this year supporting our booth here at the Pride Bazaar. 嗱，有呢個機會咧，我哋都好想 hello，好想咧借機咧分享翻咧，其實歐盟咧即係強烈譴責全球各地任何針對同性戀、雙性戀、跨性別人士恐懼嘅行為啦。喺歐洲咧，我哋都致力於咧建構一個更加平等嘅一個聯盟嚟嘅，希望每一個公民咧都受到尊重，感到一個賦能，無論佢哋嘅性別認同、性傾向、年齡或者種族點樣都好，都希望佢哋有一個平等嘅生活。同時間咧，我哋都致力於喺全球各地咧推廣同埋保護人權嘅普遍性。當中亦都包括保護 LGBTIQ 嘅權利。咁講幾多次咧都唔怕厭㗎啦。LGBTIQ 嘅權利咧，亦都係人權嚟嘅喎。咁喺過去一段時間咧，我哋辦事處咧亦都舉辦咗唔同嘅活動啦。因為咧消除歧視咧，其實我哋全年嘅工作重點嚟嘅。咁咧，我哋喺過去一段時間都同唔同嘅公民團體啦，同埋我哋嘅歐盟領事館啦，亦都舉辦咗一系列嘅活動。就喺上個禮拜咧，我哋同德國領事館舉辦咗一個電影放映會，放映咗本地導演楊粵海嘅電影《從今以後》，咁樣咧點出咗呢年老同性伴侶喺法律上面對緊嘅挑戰。咁其實琴日咧，我哋都支持咗真光社喺香港中文大學舉辦咗一個 LGBTIQ 實踐式肯定嘅會議，咁樣咧將提供咗一個平台俾唔同嘅政策研究嘅專家啦、臨床嘅研究人士啦，一齊去專注香港本地 LGBTIQ 社群面對緊嘅一啲精神嘅情況咁樣。嗱，嚟到最後啦 ，This is the very last part of the sharing, very quick. So we hope this day inspires dialogue and encourages us to take bold steps forward. Let's build societies where every citizen can feel safe and seen and enjoy equal rights under the law. And once again, a big thank you to Francis and members of the Gay Harmony for organizing this event and bring the community together. So, as a closing to wrap up, can I introduce the Consuls General of the EU member states and representatives of our EU member state consulates to come to the stage to take a group picture together.